In this video, I'm going to show you guys a method on how to get some free Solana. So in order to do this, we need to go ahead and go to this website over here, soulincinerator.com. And this is basically a tool that will help you go ahead and trade Solana. But what you could also do is earn a commission every time you do trade with Solana. So because they do take out a significant amount of fees whenever you do trade on Solana, you are essentially able to get some of it back thanks to this platform over here. So in order to do this, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this button over here that does say connect wallet, and then we need to go ahead and select on Phantom wallet. So from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect it. So go ahead and just enter in your password and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So once you're done with that, you will now get something that looks like this. So over here, we do have a menu where you can go ahead and take a look at the tokens, NFTs, see NFTs and domains as well. So there's a lot of great options over here. But in order to get your free Solana, all you want to do is you want to select on vacant account, and then it is going to open up a menu that does look like this. And as you're able to tell, it is actually going to give us this small amount of Solana over here. So again, it's nothing crazy. It's actually a very low amount, and that is because I barely made any trades with this particular wallet. However, if you have a wallet that you've been using for a long time and you made so many different trades, then you will actually be able to get a lot more Solana. You can get up to like 0.5 Solana, and it's honestly pretty OP, guys. But because this is only a relatively new wallet, it is only going to offer me this low amount of Solana. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on cleanup once you're done with that. So all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on confirm, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.